Hey fellow airbrush artists out there. So recently I've been training one of my new members of the team, Martin. He's learning how to airbrush from the ground up. And I posed a challenge to myself, and after seeing him airbrush a little bit, I realized that that was totally attainable. The challenge was, I was gonna have him ready to airbrush for events in 2 months. And he's starting to string together script lettering. He does fades very well. Of course, the dagger strokes and so on. So the last frontier obviously is script lettering. It's the hardest part. And I just finished a lesson with him, and I just had some thoughts I wanted to share with everybody. So tell me what you think. All right, thoughts on script lettering. I've been but teaching a new artist that's going to be joining the team lately about lettering. And I just talked about a lot of theory I want to share with you guys. All right. So I noticed that a lot of my lettering has this oval pattern. Not oval, but ellipse. Elliptical like an orbit. And it's tilted in that direction. Like, you know, when I try to do script lettering, I'm trying to stay within that same tilt. So my ellipses are tilted in the same direction. All right, why am I talking about this? Ellipse. Do you see it? Ellipse, 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 ellipse. All the same direction. Like the E, you know, because it's tilted, you could put a box around it. There it is, 2 ellipses stacked in a box. I didn't really consciously try to do this. I think this is just like, guys, I've been airbrushing for 30 years, and a large majority of that, my lettering was very below average, I thought. Looking back, it's like, even today, because I've been doing it for so long, I feel like I should be better than I am, but I'm okay. I do it for a living. I'm probably better than most people on the planet, but among airbrushers, I know I'm far from the best.